Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we're going to be using the Divi Supreme plugin for this one today. And they just released a new module which brings their total up to about 42 modules, and this sort of text notation type thing that looks like handwriting going around and highlighting various areas of your text. If I just refresh, you can see it does that, and there's plenty of different effects you can do. If I scroll down the page, you can see these things as I go further up the page. They appear like that, and that's a nice little feature to have on your site. And if you want to get people's eyeballs on a particular word or a phrase, then this is going to do it. And there's several different types you can do. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is enable the visual builder, obviously. And I'll go down a little ways below that lot right there, and let's start here. Let's make this a column of 3. And let's insert a module. Divi comes as standard with all the light grey modules here. When you add the Supreme modules, it gives you another 42 modules, these sort of purpley ones here, that do different things for you, and it really does give Divi a real push. It's a great add-on. So the thing we want today is the text notation. I'm just going to simply click on that, and here it is. I'm not going to put any before or after text in because I'm just going to demo these today. And as you can see, it's put that simple notation underneath there. Before text and after text. I've done it on this, that would be before text, and that would be after text if you wanted it in the middle of a sentence. And if we go down, here's your notation settings. You can choose the color, obviously. Let's turn that to red so we can see it just a little bit better. They've got underline, you've got box, circle, highlight, stroke through, or strike through I should say, crossed off, and bracket. And you can have bracket left to right or up and down, and choose which way you want it to draw first. And that's all pretty cool and very easy. You obviously just change the color of what you want here, and you can also change the stroke width, how thick the stroke is, and the iterations are the number of times it actually does the thing. So let's do 4, take it down to 3, and you can see the difference. There we go. Now where it animates in the viewport, I'll duplicate this to show you that. Let's just save this, and I'll duplicate this module. Just hit the duplicate module twice. Let's bring one over here and one over here, and I'll go in and I'll just change what we've got going on with our animation there, or notation. Let's use a circle on this one. Let's make it red, and this one we'll use a strike through, and we'll make that one green. There we go. Okay, and to demonstrate the actual animating viewport, the lower the number, the further up the screen it's got to be. So let's give this one, well, we'll leave this one at 80, which is the default. Put this one to 40. Just need to put in the 40, it'll put in the percent for you. And let's make this one 20. Now when I save the changes and we scroll down here, I might just move this row up in between these, or we might run out of scroll room otherwise. So let's grab this row. I'm just going to pop him up in between these two right here. just to make sure we've got enough room on our page to scroll. Save our changes and exit the Visual Builder. Okay, so let's refresh the page. And there's our top one there. Ignore these second ones there. The ones we want to look at are these here. Now we've got this one set to 80%, this one to 40, and this one to 20. So this one's going to go first, then this one's going to roll in, and when we get nearer the top of the page, this one should work. So let's try it. And there's our 80. There's our 40. And there's our 20. So you can see you can change the actual timing of when they come in by using the percentage on that. And that's a great little thing. As I say, that's going to get eyeballs on certain phrases very quickly by doing that. So that's another great addition to the Divi Supreme modules. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.